Michael Bergamo, store manager of the Butler Lowe's. We're here today to help out Ringwood, to help out Rebuilding Together. What a great program that we have where we could help out the community and give back. We have 6 stores here today from Lowe's. Lowe's has been involved since 2007. Gave over $3 million, I believe, this year alone, to be able to help communities and folks stay in their homes, and really just a great partnership and to affect people's lives, not only in the homes, but our lives when we get a chance to help. Thank you so much.